Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. We are studying chapter 14 statistics, exercise 14.2, question 5. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one day international cricket matches. So the data is given to us, runs scored and number of batsmen. So what is this? Scored by the top batsmen of the world in one day international cricket match. So there are 4 batsmen whose runs were 3000 to 4000. 18 batsmen whose runs were 4000 to 5000. So that's the data given to us. So what we have to find out is find the mode of the data. Mode means most occurring. So if you see highest frequency, this is Fi, right? Highest frequency is 18. So our answer will come between 4000 to 5000. So let's do the sum. I have copied down the table here, runs scored and the number of batsmen. I told you to find out the mode, you have to see the highest frequency. This is our frequency. Highest frequency is 18. So this becomes our F1. So before that one will become F0 and after that it will become F2. And the answer will be coming between this. So this is our model class. So from here we will have, this is our lower limit, this is our upper limit, this will be our L. And then H, how do we find out class interval? 4000 minus 3000 gives us 1000. 5000 minus 4000, 1000. 6000 minus 5000, 1000. So the class interval is 1000. So let's write down the formula for mode. Is L plus F1 minus F0, 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So we have to write down, I told you in the introduction, you have to write the explanation for all these terms as I taught in the introduction. Here you see, you have to write by all means the detailed explanation for all this. Okay, then only you will get the full marks. But I will write only the value here. So the class model is class model is 4000 to 5000. So therefore lower limit L value will be 4000. This is our L. Then F1 is highest frequency, that is 18. Then F0 is preceding the highest frequency of the model class, F0, that is 4. F2 is succeeding the highest frequency of the model class, succeeding it is 9. Then H is class interval, that is upper limit minus lower limit. So that will give us 5000 minus 4000 will give us 1000. So this is H value. So all the values are written here. Just put all the values here and solve it. So mode is equal to L is 4000 plus F1 is 18 minus F0 is 4. 2 into F1 is 18 minus F0 is 4 minus F2 is 9 into H is 1000. 4000 plus 18 minus 4 will give us 14. 2 into 18 will give us 36. Minus 4 minus 9 will give us 13. Whenever 2 minus is there, we have to add them. Sign will remain minus into 1000. So 4000 plus 14 multiply with 1000, you will get 1000 14,000. 14 into 1000, 14,000. 36 minus 13 will give us 23. So now you have to divide this. When you do the division, let's do and see. 14,000 with 23. 23, it will not come in 14, so we'll take 140. In 140, if we take 23, then 6 times 23, so 6 times will give us 138 minus, so 10 minus 8 will give us 2. Then this 0 comes down. Then 20, with 20 it is small, so we will bring one more 0 down. So therefore we will add one more 0 here. Now 8 times 23 will give us 1. 8 times 23, 184. When you subtract, we'll get 6. Here it will be 9, 9 minus 1. So then we add 1 0, so put the decimal, then we'll get again 6 times 23 will give us 138, 2, 5, 2, then we add 0, and 9 times 23 will give us 207. So 10 minus 7 will give us 3. 1 we gave, so 1, 1, 2, 0. So then it will go on. If we add 0, again it will go on. So after decimal, there is no much value. We just stop it here only. So we will get 4,000 plus 608.69. So when you sum up 4,000, 608.69. So we'll put here also 0.00. So we have to add. So it will be 69. It will be 8064. So we get 4608.69. This is what actually the runs scored. So the maximum runs scored, highest frequency. I told you, the answer will come between 4 to 5,000. So our answer came, so most occurring, and the mostly the runs scored were 4,608.69 runs. So that's our answer. Thank you. God bless you.